In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a submenu in Wix Studio. Whether you're curating a personal portfolio or crafting a comprehensive business site, effectively organizing your navigation enhances user experience and makes your site more engaging. So, let's dive right in and get your menus tidied up with submenus. First, we need to set our existing menu to Advanced. To begin, navigate to your site's editor and locate the menu. This is typically at the top of your main page. Once you find the menu, click on it. You should see a row of options appear, including a gear icon that you'll find located just above the navigation bar. Click this gear icon and a short menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Set as Advanced. Doing this action will open a new window titled Manage Menu, which is where we'll handle our drop-down settings. Now, let's go through the process of adding a drop-down menu. Within this Manage Menu window, look for a button labeled Plus Add Menu Item. Click it, and you'll see choices for the type of menu item you can add. Select Drop-Down Title from these options. This will prompt you to enter a title for your new drop-down menu, like Services or whatever suits the content you're building. Once you've decided on a suitable title and entered it, go ahead and click Done. Great! Now your drop-down is created, but it's empty. Let's add some relevant items to it. You need to figure out which pages or links you'd like to include under this drop-down menu. With the Manage Menu window still open, locate the pages or links on your site that you wish to add. You can simply drag these items to the newly created drop-down title. This action will make them part of the submenu structure. Once you've added your desired pages or links, make sure that everything is nested correctly. As you hover over each item, you will see a More Actions icon, usually represented by 3 dots or a small menu icon. Click this icon for each item. From the list, select Move Under drop-down title. By doing so, you ensure that each link or page sits neatly within your drop-down menu. And there you have it. A well-organized submenu that is easy to navigate and looks professional on your site. Remember, organizing your menus effectively can significantly improve your website's usability and user experience. Take a moment to review your changes and make sure everything looks just how you want it. If something seems off, you can easily go back into the Manage Menu settings and make adjustments as needed. I hope this guide has been helpful, and you feel confident now about adding and managing submenus on your Wix site. Thanks for watching, and happy site building!